Welcome everyone. So far we've looked at many different types of angles, and in this video we will look at the angles, but we'll look at relationships between them. And the first type is vertically opposite angles. Okay, and there's a photo here, okay, the diagram, and I've marked two angles here and two angles here. What you can tell me about these angles? So first of all, we have two lines, okay, and we have two lines in here, and these angles are marked. They're exactly the same angles. They have the same vertex, so we can just mark it in here. Okay, just in the middle. That's a point of intersection, as you can remember, when the two lines meet. So we have the point of the intersection, and this is the vertex in here, and they are directly opposite. Okay, and here we go with a term first one. Vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Okay, they have exactly the same measurement, and theorem is a rule that you need to prove. Okay, so we won't be talking about the proofs now, but you need to know all the terms, okay? And it's really easy to spot these kind of angles. It's every single time when we have X shape, okay? X shape. And if we have these angles, let's say this one and that one, they're not vertically opposite angles, okay? You need to have one line and the second line, okay? Point of the intersection. It's like X shape, so this is not a vertically opposite angles type, okay? Bear it in mind. Okay, let's start with activity number 1 then. We need to find the size of the missing angles. So look at the first photo. So we have two lines in here, we have the point of intersection, and we know these angles are vertically opposite angles, and they have the same measurement. They are the same size. So in here they're the same, in here they're the same. A and C is the same. This one and that one is the same. Okay, so the first one, we can simply state that angle A is 110 degrees. Here A is, we don't have any measurements here, but we have a little symbol, and this little symbol means this angle is right angle and it has 90 degrees. So we have 90 degrees. And the last one, the only measurement in here is 35 degrees, and the vertically opposite angle for this one is the B one. So B is 35 degrees. B is 35 degrees. But then we need to find A and C. How to find A and AC? So let's start with A. We can use another thing with match. We have a straight line here. So the angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. If we know B is 35 degrees, we can simply find what A is. So 180 degrees minus 35 degrees is 145 degrees. And then we can use the term 1. A is exactly the same as C. So this is A and is the same as C. So C is 145 degrees. Okay, so you need to know the rules you know, okay, and base of them on them. So summarizing today's video, you have just term 1, which one says vertically opposite angles are equal, okay, and you need to know what are they. So when we have two lines and we have point of the intersection, these two angles are the same, so we can mark it. This one is the same as this one, So 2 and 4 are the same, and then we have 1 and 3, and they the same. Okay, so we have the blue one and the red one. So for homework, try to find the value of the missing angles, okay? The first one is really easy. You can just write down what is A, the same in here, and actually the same in here. Okay, so see you tomorrow.